Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest pins not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest pins not showing, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will go to click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about Pinterest and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.